Medicine from Myanmar, and I got an international fellowship in 2018 from one of the Korean university, Nyan University. This is my country. It's located near Thailand, Laos, and India. And yeah, it's far like 5,020 miles from here. It's a long way, yeah. This pagoda is located in my city. The whole pagoda is coated with the real gold. Yeah, one of the tourist attractions in my country.
It's safe.
So I'm working as a chief dentist and I'm founder of my clinic in Nyon. So this is my first case. This patient has a habit, pediatric chewing habit. Do you know what is it? It's like yeah, beaten-up, yeah.
But a quid is when they keep it here, not just they have localized.
So they put the tobacco coat inside to get dizzy, and they roll it and chew it. Some people did it the whole day on the teeth. And whenever I clean the dizzy, I always use the plus bottle fast because I need to reduce the damages cause the vertical fracture of the root.
Cancer.
Cancer, yeah.
Localized mouth cancers, very high rate because of betel nut.
For this case, there is no staining, only the supragingular and subgingular ganglions. There is a perineum protein and some periodontal pocket in some area. This is before disclosing, and this is after disclosing. Oh yes, this after the GBT treatment. After the bracket removal for autonomic case, you can see there's a subgingular ganglions and supragingular ganglions. There's a bleeding of protein and there's a periodontal pocket between the 1-1 and 2-1. So the same marginal gingivitis is around this area. So this is right after GBT treatment. EMS in my restorative dentistry to remove to clean the teeth with the
Rubber dam?
Yeah.
For GBT?
For
For restorative.
Yeah.